Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your screensaver on your Apple TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Apple TV and you want to go ahead and customize what it shows when it goes into screen saving mode. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is navigate to where it says settings right over here. Next, you want to click on where it says screensaver. Afterwards, you want to go ahead and click on current selection. And you can see that you have different current selections as far as screensavers go. So you can do memories and slideshows, you can do Snoopy, you can do portraits, which is currently syncing, or you can do aerials. And so with that, you also have some other options here as far as when you want the screensaver to show, when you want it to show during music and podcasts, and etc. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit the screensaver on your Apple TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.